Talof everyone, I'm Michael Tan, your host from Behind the Lava Lava, and I find myself in South Salt Lake today exploring the flavors at Pasifika Foods. But what's even more exciting is hearing what the customers have to say about their food. So stay tuned as we chat with patrons and bring you their honest reviews and opinions. Let's go.
So I choose Pasifika food because of their smoked corned beef, especially. You don't get that anywhere else. Great flavor, great taste, and then I like their pastries also. So I'm excited for their restaurant to open. Can't wait. Until then, doing what I can to get where I can get the Pasifika food.
I love the food over here, and if you are out there and in need of lunch for a conference, come on over to Pacifica and get some of that good old faspovi and taro.
Yeah, we just heard a lot of good things about Pasifika. That's why we chose it for today. But yeah.
Hi, we love Pacifica. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous because the food is so delicious and fresh.
I like Pacifica Corned Beef Kitchen because they actually have the authentic flavor of Samoan and Polynesian food. Specifically, their oka is wow. Like, it is fresh, it is clean, non-fishy. It's great. And then their corned beef, which is what they're well known for, is amazing. It's just I can't even put into words how good it is, but you got to try it.